guys, welcome to my new video. This is my Nyx Face Awards Top 20 Proud Soul Makeup Challenge, and that's the look that I came up with. I'm gonna show you and explain exactly what I did and what it means. So let's start with those colorful wings that I created. With the wings, I want to express freedom. And in the middle right here, you can see that I painted a flower. This is actually a very special flower. It is a lotus, if you can recognize it. I chose to paint a lotus because it has a very strong meaning. For example, like love, passion, happiness, or inspiration. And on the eyes, I did like a butterfly wings. And on the top, you can see that I created a exposed rainbow brain. And with the rainbow brain, I want to dedicate to all the positivity, positive mind, positive life, and positive vibes. So let's start the look with some DIY preparation. I'm tracing on a foam rubber the wings that I draw before. Then I will cut it out in 2 pieces and I need some hot glue to layer the smaller part onto the bigger wing part. Then it's time to give the wings some color, and I just basically use cream color to do this. Let's moving on to the rainbow brain. I use some air drying clay, and what I do is basically taking some small pieces and roll it into a spaghetti and sculpt it on my head cast. After the clay is completely dry, I will use a lot of latex and layer it on the brain for about 5 to 6 times. Make sure that the latex is completely dry, and then I will use my NYX Face loose powder and I powder it up very well so it won't be sticky anymore. First, I will give my brain a white base. This will help to get the colors more vibrant. Now we are ready to paint the rainbow color. I'm using a dark brown gel eyeliner and I will fill in all the deeper part from the brain so it looks more realistic. So let's moving on to the tutorial, and I have already my bald cap on. The first step is tracing the brain on my bald cap, and I use my white jumbo eye pencil. Bringing back the latex and some cotton, I will create some extended skin around my bald cap where I traced the brain before. Now it's time to cover up my eyebrows, and I will use my NYX Can Stop One Stop Concealer to cover. I'm taking a very bright sky blue body paint and I start to paint my body until above my chest area. With my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light, I will outline the butterfly wings around my eyes, and I will also use it to sketch the lotus flower. When I'm happy with my sketching, I will go over with the black NYX gel eyeliner. And now it's time to paint our lotus. So now I'm ready to paint the rest of my face with the same sky blue body paint color. Then it's time to do the eye makeup, and I'm starting to use a yellow color for my inner corners, and then I use some pink. That was actually too bright for me, so I went in with some purple. Then I use a very pretty silver glitter liner from NYX, and I will finish up with that my eye makeup. Then it's time for false eyelashes, and then I will use the pink blush color from the NYX blush palette, and I will just add some color and contouring to the look. I'm using the same purple like before on my lips, and then I will take some duochromatic highlighter to highlight the tip of my nose. It's finally time to bring on the rainbow brain, and I used some Mastix glue to stick it on my bald cap. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to get some support of you guys if you want to see me in the next round. And I hope you really liked it, and see you in my next video. Bye!